Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. I'm shooting this video inside my car because of the product we're looking at. It's the LA Police Gear Patrol Seat Organizer. So basically what you have here is an organizational system you put around the headrest. It hangs in your front seat, or you could certainly put it in the back seat as well. But it's a way to organize your gear that's in the car. So I recently got a new car. I'm driving a Hyundai Veloster. And honestly, it doesn't have a lot of organizational room in the car. Like there's not a ton of like places to store extra things. And so something like this is great for me. I also have used their bailout bags and just put a bunch of gear in the bag and then kept it in the front seat. So I have easy access to things like a poncho or, you know, like when I'm out in the woods. So I have access to bug spray and stuff like that. Pens, med kit, things like that. But this, I got it and I thought, maybe I'll be interested in it. But it stores a lot of stuff and it actually works really well. So what I'm going to do is, rather than you looking at me sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to hop to the other side and kind of from the outside of the passenger seat look in and show you what the organizer looks like and give you a rundown of what I have stored in it right now. All right, let's start up on the top here. It's a little bit interesting because I've got black seats. The organizer is black as well, so it's just a little bit hard to get the lighting right, but I think you can pick it up. Up on the top here, I've got my Maxpedition Valence, so that's a tech sling. It actually fits in this large kind of bucket section of the organizer. Now in front of the tech sling, I've got this, which is my my work computer. I just took it out and slid it down in that front bucket section. So you've got a lot of storage even in that just that main compartment there. I literally just today got this little Motorola radio from a friend at work. She had two of them kicking around, and I'm gonna actually bring them home for my my kids to use. But I've got that in the car now, and I actually usually keep radios in the car as well. I don't have anything in this compartment right here, the zippered compartment, but that's fine because, you know, I don't want to just throw extra things in it for just to take up space. Over here, I've got a Yeti mug that I just got from a buddy of mine, and then over on the other side, I've got a Stanley water bottle. So yeah, I mean, you can obviously store water bottles, mugs, things like that. Across the front here, I've got some kind of gadgets and stuff for my Olight Seeker. Here's the Seeker over here. Here's the two extensions as far as the wands, you know, for directing traffic and stuff. Field notes, pen, Sharpie. That's one of the batons from SOG as far as a multi-tool. Got some advertisements for church. Got some stuff for a outing I'm going on. Got a knife here. Got a little tool from Snap-on there. And then I also have, down in this back section, I've got some more paperwork, a book, and my Bible. So you can see I've got quite a lot of gear organized in this thing. Real quick on the back here, this is the strap that basically goes around the bars of your headrest, and then, I mean, it's good to go. It's not going to lock in place as far as with something here and then something on the bottom, so it will move a little bit if you go whipping around some turns, but I've been driving around with it, and it's working totally fine. It's not moving all around on me. Let me offer you a couple thoughts on this product. First of all, price point is going to be $25, so it's not super expensive. It's held up well. I haven't used it for months and months, but it's held up well so far. It's great to organize gear, and you have immediate access to it right there in your front seat. I used to keep something like this, like a seat organizer in the back passenger seat, but I'd have to be driving and then kind of reaching back and trying to grab stuff. This way it's right next to me, so I have easy access to it. You want to be aware, obviously, if you're leaving things that somebody might be interested and they might steal, you just got to be aware of that. So depends on, you know, if you have a car that has tinted windows so you can't see in. If you have if you live in an area where, you know, you're parking at night and no one's around because you live, you know, out in the woods, that's obviously fine as well, or it's a safer situation. If you're living in a city or in a place where people are going to be breaking into cars and stealing stuff, obviously you don't really leave stuff out and display the things that you have available. So that's something to think about with the product. So like I said, I've used the LA Police Gear bailout bag to organize my gear, and I'm kind of going back and forth between the bailout bag and this. The bag is harder to access, but the gear is covered up. It's just like a bag that I can keep in the front seat or like at the foot of the passenger front seat. So it's a little bit more subdued, and maybe it's not going to attract as much attention as leaving stuff out in the open. But the nice thing about this, again, is I can just reach over and be like, boom, I've got the flashlight, boom, I've got a pen, whatever it is. My former car, what did I have? What was my last car? Honda Civic, I think it was. It just had more like little pockets and little shelves and places to store stuff. This car that I have doesn't have as much of that, and so having something like this is actually pretty helpful. Yeah, I mean, I feel like the biggest thing right now is that you got to be careful about leaving expensive products out in the open, because somebody might see that, break into your car and steal them. Or, you know, if you leave your car unlocked, they can just open the door, grab it, and walk away with stuff. Some people do have like the back windows tinted. Like I think on our past couple minivans, the back windows are tinted and the front windows are not. So you could put this in the back seat if you wanted to. That does mean that you still have to reach back to get stuff. But again, it's more organized than just having it like thrown in a box or in a bag that you have to open up, unzip, whatever it might be. So I'm really interested to hear from you guys. What do you think about this product? Again, you can obviously tell if you watch my videos, I like things being organized in the right location. And where I live, I'm not concerned about having this in my car and then out. But, you know, I even feel like if I went driving into a place where I was a little concerned, you could just unclip it, put it in the trunk, and then you're good to go. If you're driving to a spot on a regular basis where it's like you got to drive to your office, take it off, put it in the trunk, take it back out of the trunk when you leave, click it back on, have it in the front seat, that just seems like it would be a hassle to me. But you know, if every once in a while you had to change it, probably that's not as big a deal. But let me hear your thoughts on this, and obviously I'll pass the word on to LA Police Gear as well. Alright guys, those are my thoughts on this seat organizer. Like I said, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. As always, thanks for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.